Hi friends, welcome to Payhip. In this video, we'll show you how quick and easy it is to upload and publish a digital download product listing such as ebook, digital art, or any other digital files on Payhip. We'll be covering a step-by-step process to upload your product, an example of what your customer's experience would potentially look like when they purchase and download your products. We'll also go over advanced settings for your product listing or storefront, and lastly, some marketing tips to drive more sales for your products. Feel free to skip ahead to specific chapters within this video to find what you're looking for. As a quick note, if you haven't watched our 3-minute quick start guide video, we encourage you to start there before watching this video, as it provides a high-level overview of Payhip as well as how to get your online store set up, such as setting your payout information. Now let's get started on adding a new digital download product listing in your Payhip store. Make sure you're already logged into your Payhip seller account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for free at payhip.com. To add a new product, go to the Product tab on the top menu bar. Next, click Add New Product. Select the digital product category. You can sell any digital files such as ebooks, digital art, video editing packs, zip files, software, PDFs, and so much more. Anything that you can save in your computer, you can certainly sell it as a digital download product. Upload the product file here. You can upload multiple files with various formats. This is what your customers will instantly receive when they purchase this item. Input your product title, price, images, and descriptions. Remember that you can write rich product descriptions that include images, videos, bullet points, and so much more. Next, choose your visibility settings. You can set your products as invisible if you're still working on it and do not want it to be accessible by the general public. But you can also make it unlisted so that it's only accessible to certain customers that have access to your product URL. You can also choose to include this product as part of one or more collections within your store. If this is your very first product, you won't be able to see this collection option yet. But once you have more than one product, you'll be able to see an option to create product collections. Click the Advanced options to view other settings that you can set up for your digital download product. This includes things like implementing your product options or variants, uploading a free preview, limiting the number of times that the product can be sold, and so much more. Once you're done, click Add Product to publish your listing. You'll be presented with the URL to this specific product that you've just published. Now let's take a look at what your product listing looks like to your potential customer. Over here, you'll see what your customers will go through when they're purchasing your product. You'll notice that your customers will only need to input their email address and their payment information and no shipping addresses because this is a digital product. This also helps make the purchase experience more seamless for your customers. As soon as they finish the payment process, they'll be presented with the links to download your product files. They'll also receive an automated email containing links to download your product files as well. If you want to improve the design of your website or storefront, you can use our store builder. You can even design an entire website for free using Payhip. To do this, go to the Store tab and launch your store builder. Payhip provides a lot of pre-built website sections that you can select from and customize accordingly. No technical skills needed. Remember that you can also customize your product pages to include more things such as an FAQ section, a gallery, and so much more. The customization options are endless. You can find more information on how to use Payhip Store Builder on another video. But here's an example of a website creating using Payhip without any technical coding skills or design skills. You'll notice that you can also connect a custom domain for free if you want to. This helps to make your website feel more like your own. There are several advanced settings for your digital download products that might be beneficial for you. This includes things such as setting up various product pricing options, such as pay what you want pricing and sales price, putting a layer of security to your digital product by setting up PDF stamping, setting up custom domain and embeds, building a mailing list so you can communicate with your customers on a regular basis, and so many more. We have Help Center articles that go over all of the above features in detail, and of course, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Now that you've got your product listing published, it's time to start driving traffic to your store and start getting sales. One of the most common ways to do this is to put your store or product link on your social media bio, or embed the product into your existing website if you already have one. Remember to also take advantage of Payhip's marketing tools to market your products. Go to the Marketing tab to find all of our marketing tools. Each tool comes with information on how you can maximize their benefits. That's it! You've successfully published a digital download product listing for your online store. Visit help.payhip.com for more helpful tips on how to utilize various features on Payhip, or reach out to contact@payhip.com if you have any questions. Talk to you soon!